What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Well, some news just broke about Amazon and iRobot. It says here that Amazon has purchased Roomba and vacuum maker iRobot for 61 cents a share, which equates out to $1.7 billion. Now, if you are an iRobot shareholder or Amazon shareholder, you got to be feeling good right now, because honestly, I think it's a win-win. But I'll get into that later on. Let's check it out. Some of the details. It says Amazon is buying iRobot, like I just stated, is acquiring iRobot for 61 cents a share, an all-cash deal that values the Roomba maker at $1.7 billion. Got to feel good about that. The company announced this Friday, which is today. Best known for its robotic vacuum Roomba, iRobot has since expanded its production lineup to other home cleaning robots like mops and lawnmowers. Now, I never knew they had lawnmowers. That's pretty cool. Now, if you look at, oh my God, if you look down here, oh, the stock for iRobot then jumped 19% since this morning. And Amazon is down 1%. But yeah, it looks good here. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, they had the earnings today too. Actual earnings was $255 million, $0.4 million, and it was estimated at $303 million. Okay, yeah, 30% decline in revenue since 2021 since this year. So they're down. And it said they're set to cut 10% of their workforce as well. This is iRobot we're talking about. Let's see if there's anything else, because I mean the story just broke. Let's see if there's something else I can jump in here. This deal will deepen Amazon's presence in consumer robotics. Amazon made a bold bet on the space last year when it unveiled the Astro Home robot, a $1,449 device that is equipped with the company's Alexa digital assistant and can follow consumers around their homes. It also offers an array of smart home devices like connecting doorbells after its 2018 acquisition of Ring, as well as voice-activated thermometers and microwaves. Okay, I understand the acquisition now. Amazon's trying to get in your house, like really get into your house. I mean, besides delivery, they're trying to get into all this space. And it opens it up for them too in the robotics section. So, I mean, as far as, I think it's a win-win. It looks like iRobot is having problems with, revenue and growing the company. It says they're cutting 10% of their workforce. So, I mean, hooking up with Amazon looks like it could be a good thing. I mean, it's a consumer conglomerate, dealing with logistics and stuff like that. I think they're helping get the company back up and running. Now I'm not a owner of iRobot. I don't think it's a bad company or anything like that. I mean, I really don't know anything. I mean, I know what the products are, but I don't know how the companies run and stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, the shares jumped that high, 19%, $9.55. I mean, a lot of people see like stuff like this. A lot of people, when you have these stocks like iRobot and stuff, this could be in a good play for you. Like if you have the stock and you wasn't knowing about the certainty of the company, because it says down here that they were having issues with management. I don't know if they got a new CEO or upper management. I don't know. So but I know like iRobot really got big when the pandemic hit. I mean, the shares took off. A lot of people were in their homes. They needed vacuums. They needed a lot of stuff. That's when we had the buying sprees. People were buying home gyms and all kinds of stuff. Peloton blew up and such. But yeah, iRobot is a good play right now, especially with Amazon under the wing of Amazon. Because it says it had a 30% decline in revenue from a year earlier, primarily due to unanticipated order reductions. The situation with Rona then started to go away. Delays and cancellations from retailers in North America and Europe, Middle East, and Africa. So, it looks like a good place. Okay, iRobot CEO Colin Angle will continue to run the company once the deal closes. All right. It said it would cut about 140 employees, or 10% of its workforce, like we spoke about, facing rising costs and falling revenue. Shares of iRobot today have surged more than 19% in early trading after they were briefly halted following the announcement of the deal. That's good. Amazon stock was down less than 1%. So that's all the news they got for this right now. But yeah, I mean, in my perspective, it's a good deal for both companies. I think so. I mean, as far as, it puts Amazon in another space. It puts them in artificial intelligence or robotics. And it's another avenue for them to get inside the home. And for iRobot, it helps the company being backed by Amazon. And you get some of the minds over there, creative minds, business-wise, and you meld them with the minds that you got. And I see nothing but a good thing coming out of it. But yeah, that's the news so far. What I saw it. I figured I'd make a video about it. I hadn't seen nobody talking about it. But yeah, that's big news. If you're an Amazon shareholder and an iRobot shareholder, you got to be feeling good about yourself right now, But yeah, drop me a comment if you own the stock, or if you know somebody that owns the stock. Share your information. See if you how you see the future of both companies. And my name is Steve. As usual, like and subscribe. Drop a comment. I'd like to hear from you. Let's talk about it. But yeah, that's the news right now. Just something quick. I mean, as things unfold, we'll know more. But yeah, Amazon has acquired iRobot. So good luck to both companies. And if you're a shareholder, you got to be feeling good. It's a Friday. You know what I mean? So happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.